Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's simply enter the display. Now, as you can see right here, we've got the screen timeout option, so let's tap, and here we've got some screen timeout options from which we can choose basically. So we've got either 15 or 30 seconds, which are quite a short time, I would say, and also 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So currently we've got 1 minute option applied. As you can see, it is marked. What's more, it is visible right here on the, let's say, previous page. So all you have to do in order to change the screen timeout is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, let me tap on it, and as you can see we do not have to enter this pop-up view again, because as you can see it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.